So we have a new exciting update that I'm going to share with you how to customize that. And it's basically your bio and adding a picture in there about yourself, just kind of telling people who come to the store a little bit about you and why you created this store. Now, before you go in, adjust and update this section, I do recommend that you type something out in like either Pages or Word or something like that on another document so that you can just copy and paste it in there. Otherwise, if you don't, that's fine. Feel free to just type it in while you're on there in the update. But I find it a lot easier to think about what you're doing off of the platform and then just copying and pasting in it. So let's get right into it. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen with you and let's go right into it. So we're going to be on the home page here. Okay. And on the home page in Shopify, we're going to go down to your online store. We're going to click on online store and then it's going to drop us down to themes here. And then over here on the right hand side, we're going to click customize. Now, what we're going to be customizing is just the section in there that has a picture for you to upload and then a bio. I'll show you that right now. So click customize. And then your store might look a little bit different than mine, but this is the brand new store now. So it's going to be very similar. And this is in my store, what my store looks like right now, which can be very similar to yours. And what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down to this section right here. It says right here, sample, your name, impact, title. Okay, a dedicated personal trainer. So we're going to click on this section right here and we're going to update this section. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and select an image. Okay, I'm just going to click an image that's probably not in this platform already. No, it's not. So we're going to go add image here, or you can drag and drop, but this is going to pull up all my images on my computer. Okay. Go here. Photos. I'm going to grab the Cabo one just because it's easier and I know where it's at. Pick any kind of picture that you want here. I'm going to click this one here. Okay, there we go. I'm going to click done. That's going to pop my picture in right here. There we go. Might want to make some adjustments to this. I don't really kind of like how it cropped me there, but let's see if I can maybe adjust some of this here. Image height. Let's bring this up to 450. 450. Yeah, that's a little bit better. And then let's see. I'm going to put an image border around here. Okay, yeah, I kind of like that a little bit better. And let's go width. Let's go 680. Yeah, that's good. All right. There we go. Okay, now the text. Now what I did is this is going to be the title up here. I'm just going to put in here Nate Rose made for trainers founder. You can put your company name in there, whatever you want. Okay, then that's the title, right? And of course you can adjust the title. Now right down here over here on the left-hand side is the description, what's going to be below there. Basically your bio. So I already copied and pasted this in from what I have. So I'm just going to put that. It looks like it's a little long. I think that's a bit much. So I think I'm going to minimize this a little bit. Um, yeah, let's go like this. Let me delete that part out. Yeah, that's a little bit too much, I think. I mean, just me personally, but I mean, it does give me a good bio here. I'll keep it like that. Just, I mean, again, you can adjust this however you want. I copied and pasted that in there. Okay. Padding, I don't recommend you adjusting anything like that there. Let me see. So the save button is going to be over there on the right. So let me move this over, drop this down a little bit, and let's click save. Now this should have updated in my store just like this. So it's going to have my bio there, my name, and then my bio. These changes are now going to be in my store. And then what if I want to kind of look at and see what it's going to look like on mobile, let's click mobile, see what that's going to look like on mobile. A lot of people are going to be looking at this during mobile, which is good. That's actually comes out a little bit better on the mobile, to be honest with you. Cool. So now you have the update there and what that's going to look like and how to update your bio section area. And it's basically just this section here. And if you want to go out of this part right here, this exit. So I'm going to click here, image. We're going to come back. So now we can go if we wanted to adjust the top bar, which is right up here on the very, very top. Okay, this is the carousel. This is this here. So that's it. Now you know, and the easiest way to find it is if you're on here, you can kind of scroll down and that will highlight the section. So it's going to be blank for you. It'll highlight the section. It'll pull up over here on the left-hand side, and then you just adjust everything on the left-hand side here. And then after you do your adjustments up in the right-hand corner, you have to click save. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a save button there. And if you try to go out of it, the Shopify will say, hey, you want to save this before you leave out of here? And the answer is obviously yes. Okay. And we'll update immediately to your store. There you go. That's how you update your image with your bio on your new Shopify store.